how to gift a gift card from GiftcardCabin. If you would like to gift a gift card from GiftcardCabin to your friend by purchasing it, all you have to do is to open your browser and go to giftcardcabin.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Here you can choose different type of gift cards that you might want to purchase, like an Amazon, Apple TV gift card, Hulu gift card, Netflix gift card. So let's say I want to buy an Amazon gift card. I can simply use a search bar or select one of these and you can see all of the different type of gift cards that are available. Or I can choose like Apple gift card if I want to by just tapping on the buy now button. You can see I can choose an App Store and iTunes gift card which I can proceed to checkout. So here you can see a little option that says this is a gift. So instead of purchasing it for yourself, you're purchasing it for someone else. So you want to check that option called this is a gift. And you can see pick the size of gift certificate. So you can select that A4 size or photo size, whichever size is preferable for you. Select that, select the quantity. Once again, make sure that you have chosen a proper amount of gift card. Then tap on the proceed to checkout button where you can simply select the name of the person and you can enter your addresses, all of your details and your credit card and payment information to place the order, and you can send this particular gift card to your friend as a gift. So this way you can gift a gift card via GiftcardCabin. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.